Shall we?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello everyone and welcome to Pair on Air. We're very excited about this episode because this will be our first episode where we actually prepare to ship version 0.1. What this means is, first of all, we need to be able to build and compile Xgboost C code during the gem installation. So shall we get right to it?
Let's get into it. As always, this guy is Oleg, I'm Harry, and we hope you have some fun.
Let's do this.
So we left it off last time after we made it work that we can do multiple predictions at the same time. Today we're gonna focus less on the actual Ruby API and or C stuff and more on the how can we make it install. So which file is responsible for the whole C install blah blah blah?
Xconf something RB
something we don't edit, recover, quit, where's delete, whatever.
Okay, so there are some.
Tell me why.
Tell me.
There is already a VI.
There we go.
You know, because we
cheater.
We typed around in the file.
Yes. All right. So as you can see here, the problem is that we have hard-coded relative paths to some external git clone of Xgboost. What we need to do during gem install, we need to clone Xgboost, run make inside Xgboost, so that we get the. Oh, sorry.
Xgboost.
Yes.
Run make in Xgboost.
Yes. And so that we have the C bindings. Then we'll need to modify these header dirs and lib dirs to actually point to where we have built the library.
Right. So there's a fun part in the Xgboost code where somehow, for whatever reason, something with dynamic loading doesn't work out. So in the Ruby bundle thing that gets built, it points to the wrong Xgboost lib.
Right.
So we have to do some Mac specific magic to get it work.
So this is only true probably for Mac.
This is what you were going at, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So for Mac, we'll need to do some magic to fix the paths in the shared library. And we'll see for Linux in probably another episode. But for now, let's focus on the Mac.
Because we're using Mac.
Yes.
We love it.
Okay. And that would be it.
Yes. So, how do you like that?
I would like to propose that we need first some place where we want to store the clone, right?
Right.
So let's do it somewhere relative to this ext directory in which we're in. So this would be file join, file expand path, yes.
Yes.
Yes. And inside we would have file join.
Alright.
And inside we would have file dir name. Another file dir name.
Right.
I wish there was a nicer way to do this. Maybe there is, if you guys know, if there's like a shorter way to achieve this. There we go. All caps. Yeah. And then we have to go out to Xgboost and out again, out of ext. Alright, and here let's create a directory called vendor. You have to do it inside the join and Xgboost. And close one. Awesomeness. So this is where we're gonna clone, and like all the Xgboost stuff will be living inside there.
So this is basically, I can replace this here with it.
Yes.
Do you
Together
also
with the
file
slash,
join here?
Yes.
So here again, this goes. Why is that actually aligned? And here, just good style. I think. And the same, more typing. Actually.
amazing.
Thank
But
you.
of course now the Xgboost code doesn't live in vendor Xgboost. We have to clone it in there.
How do we get it there?
If I may take
Yes.
the steering wheel for a
It's
while.
yours.
So I had this vision where I would go like this.
Was it a positive one?
Yes. Say and run.
Ah.
Oh, you didn't see that coming, did you? Okay, first of all, let's create.
Yeah, problem. Yeah, okay. I see. Okay. Say and run.
You know what the method will do? It will say.
Well, migrations, right? Yeah.
So what do we need to do? We need to clone. And since Xgboost has all those submodules, let's do recursive.
Yes.
And we can also do multi-core. Can we do shallow?
Let's do that one.
Let's do shallow. Git and github.com. What is it? DMLC. Xgboost. Git.
Do we need to get yeah.
Maybe not. Okay, and we use single quotes wherever applicable. And we want to clone it into target, right?
Yeah, so we need to.
So we actually. Okay. So this will be one, and now let's implement. What? Oh. So let's say it.
Push.
And then let's just run it. I don't like what? CMD. How do you feel about that? So we will also see when we do stuff. And then if it takes longer,
Yeah.
we'll know where we are.
Yeah. But
That's-
we only will see it in rake.
That's
not,
true.
Not later.
Because
But
gem
fair.
install
Yeah.
will swallow.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so that's step one. Clone Xgboost. And if you remember, this repo has hard-coded submodule pointers to alt commits. So let's also update all the submodules.
Yeah, I think in a previous episode we had some beef with getting the right Rabbit version.
Yes, Rabbit was the culprit. How does it go? Submodule update.
-- remote is to fetch the latest master actually, and I don't think we need to double quotes there. Oh, we do, right?
Okay. All right, so we're done with cloning, and now we have to do the make, right?
Yeah. So we could check the website, but I'm pretty sure there was
Some
a
copy.
config file that we have to copy.
Yes. How does it go? Make minimum.
Minimal.mk or something.
Minimum, I think.
Maybe it was
okay.
config.minimum.
Config mk. And then we can do also for. Does it make sense? We'll see. If it fails, it fails.
Looking good. No. I'm pretty sure that is
Okay.
confident.
And
At some point we might want to think about
yes.
this one.
Does this hurt if you have fewer than 4 cores, or will just probably get it smart enough to?
Yeah. Also, we should be able, like in the future, to figure. So currently, the minimal is not optimal, right? But as we're only focusing on Mac,
Yes.
I think it's okay
Yes.
because for Mac and using CLang, you have the problem that it doesn't really work with OpenMP. CLang, I think, doesn't support OpenMP, so you don't really get the parallel version of Xgboost
Yes.
on Mac. But we can optimize this later, I think.
I agree. Okay, and here we have to do this magic Mac trick, which goes something like.
Yeah, maybe we can just run the man for the tool real quick.
Hold on, something didn't close. Still something didn't close.
What?
Refresh. Yeah.
If you go to shell, or it's called
Take over.
what is that?
So install name tool is a Mac specific tool. It comes
Yeah.
with what the Xcode. command line stuff.
Yeah, so we can maybe go to Xgboost. Did we actually build Xgboost? So there is here, did we fix it maybe already? No, actually it doesn't have any dependency.
No, it's in the bundle, right? It's in the Ruby bundle stuff.
Where does this live?
Don't we have the install somewhere of the gem already?
I don't know.
Yes.
There we go. So here, I think -L, yeah.
No, here it's fixed.
So here it's fixed. So here
because we ran it already beforehand.
Yeah. So this is the file I'm currently looking at, and here, this is what we want to have. Obviously, then with the real path of the real file for us now, that's fine here. And what we did when trying this out, actually we can just do. Let's just. I'm wondering if you should comment this out and show just what it looks like when it's broken.
Actually, now
or we just can do.
It should work now because
we leave this step out.
Even now it's fine. Just CDs and does nothing.
All right. Yeah. Sure. Okay. So I think we saved it.
Yes.
And then we do just rake.
Yes. And about to run Github.
So the tension is very high, obviously.
Yeah.
But it looks good so far.
The problem with this is that we will need to either delete when we do development. We'll either have to delete vendor every time when we play with the xconf file, so that because now we're cloning the latest remote state.
Yeah.
If we have it already cloned, then of course our xconf won't do the cloning again. But now
which
it takes time, right?
In development, even fine, because you don't want to.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
So maybe we just add another pull or reset origin master, like git fetch reset origin master onto.
If it already exists.
Yeah, just for good measure.
Yeah. Agreed. We'll probably worry about like locking to a specific Xgboost version in future versions, but for now, let's just always use Xgboost master.
Is there like a flag that could tell us that we're like in development mode and we're running this through rake rather through the really gem install? Then we could even have a flag in there or like a path if else saying.
Or just detect if the directory exists and it's a git repo because we create the directory anyway.
Yeah, but maybe we don't want to do it for.
Because imagine there's a new dev.
For the gem install case.
We have to clone.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if this would be a separate directory anyway. Anyway, now we have the problem that you're seeing, that we were describing. So here the tests are supposed to run, right? So
spec.
God damn it, rake spec. And this is where the error is coming from. So the thing was built and it cannot find our library. So this lib Xgboost is not found.
Can we mark it for the people at home?
Yes. That's like
so this Xgboost bundle tries to require a relative dynamic library.
So this one here. And when we look at it, at O2, then now you see that here is a path and this is not actually something that exists, right? No. It's not there. So this is what we want to fix. And we're going to use this install name tool for it. And what we do is we run install name tool and that's not what I'm looking for. I think we use ID and we put a new,
I think change maybe, old new. Or was it something else?
I think we need the
it was ID
somehow. But is the ID the lib file? Oh,
ID,
no, so this is the ID, right?
No, first goes I think the absolute path, so the one we want, and the last one is the relative path.
So the ID is the new path basically.
Yes. Which would be current directory, so you can do it in a subshell.
So let me just do this immediately here. So here.
Don't we want to try it out maybe first?
Okay, fine. Is it not working?
Escape.
Install name tool.
Yeah.
ID. Is it one dash? Yeah.
One dash. And
So
then
this would be
don't you need $1 for this?
No, it's fish shell, and
Amazing.
fish shell does without it. So if you try with this thing, then it will complain. In fish, please use something else. So
amazing.
let's
I
do
love
that.
fish.
Let's do that.
I've never used it.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't smell. Fish is amazing.
But
You know, because you want your sushi fresh. You don't want to have like old sushi. If the fish is
set you up
if
so
your-
well for this job.
if your shell is smelling, you don't want to use it.
Oh, is it like shellfish?
Yeah,
That's why they named it fish.
I'm not sure. I don't know.
But
We
I
can-
love it. Nice pun.
We can totally,
Nice pun.
totally could Google that.
Focus.
Okay, focus. So
Pomodoro.
anyway, this is in lib. Is it in lib?
Yeah, libxgboost.d. Yes, exactly.
And now the file.
Yes. Which you have in the output in the middle of the screen. libxgboost. .dylib.
This one? No.
The same what you have here.
So, but why is this path? This path is then incorrect.
It is correct.
No, this should be the
No.
new full path.
Have a look at what's in the Xgboost bundle output. libxgboost.dylib.
So the ID is only this, or is the ID the new full path?
No, the syntax is first you say the new full path, and afterwards you say the
But the
previous.
new full path is
That's correct.
okay. Okay, thank you very
Yes.
much. Was that so hard?
Install name tool.
So then
It's a bad name.
what now?
lib/libxgboost.
Why does it
It
not?
doesn't because it doesn't exist. .dylib.
Why does it not exist?
Because it's gonna be in vendor Xgboost, the print current directory.
Yes, but then I have to put vendor and everything there. Otherwise, I cannot find the
Yeah.
file.
Okay. Wait. Wait.
No, don't wait.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Okay, you do it.
Pairing on two keyboards.
Yes.
Let me show you this magic trick called cd vendor Xgboost. And now, because what you did before
Yeah,
with
then-
the O tool, you were
Mhm.
pointing here, so everything was relative to here.
I'm not sure
What?
what you're trying to do.
Oh, again, right? The
Mhm.
cd whatever O tool. No.
No. You're already in the Xgboost folder. There's no Ruby bundle thing anymore.
Yes. Okay, but
So
but the path
let
points
me-
here.
let
Here
me-
is the
okay.
lib. And now if you do exactly, and now
So-
there's lib. See?
yes. Why did it not work before?
Because you have to point it to this .bundle file, no?
But here is no lib Xgboost file.
There is. Where are you? Ah, you're back in...
Yeah.
No,
where's
you
the
have to be in
file?
vendor. Because that's where the file got built. In vendor lib. Vendor Xgboost lib.
You're killing me here.
There we go.
But is it broken in the bundle file or in the dylib file? Which one do we have to fix? So it's here
To
broken
fix
here
in the
as well.
bundle.
Okay, so not in this file. Right? Then I have to do this here on the bundle. What's the path of the bundle?
Oh, no, it's broken in the... You are right. It's broken in the lib. So we have to cd into... I've got it now.
Where was the bundle?
Yes, exactly. Here it's broken.
And in the bundle is okay?
In the bundle, maybe in the bundle it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Or the bundle takes it from here, maybe.
Under Xgboost lib and Xgboost dylib, whatever. And now it doesn't work because in the bundle.
No, because you still have to go to vendor. Here pwd is wrong.
Right. Yeah, right. There we go. That's what you meant.
No.
Let's try.
Do it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Lib. Xgboost. No, lib.
Let's do vendor here.
Lib.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we fix it in the bundle and in the lib.
Yes.
So here.
Maybe then we don't have to fix it in the lib. I don't know.
We don't.
Now it's in the
Actually, this
lib.
is lib.
Bundle.
This is going horribly.
No, we're
well
making
already.
progress.
We're making progress.
Now Rake's back. And we're good to go.
Sprek.
Nice try.
Sprek. Uh-huh.
Image not found. Can you do O2?
What was the bundle?
Slash Xgboost bundle.
Oh,
That's new.
yeah, that's the well. So here nothing changed. Blah blah blah. What did this say? Nothing. And the status was okay.
And it changes the shared library identification name to name. Oh, and the last one is file.
Yeah, that's the file that we're working on.
Yes.
So ID should be the absolute path of the file. And then here basically also the absolute path of the file again. Right?
The absolute doesn't matter. For the
yeah,
file.
no, the file could also be not absolute, but the question is why did the last thing not change anything? So here nothing changed. Why?
I think we have to say like change from to, but I know what the problem is. When we run Rakespec, we're not building anymore. Right? We have to do.
Yeah, go on. We're not building anymore?
Let me think about it. We have to build the gem after we fixed the compilation step, right? So after we do, imagine we're in vendor Xgboost, we do whatever, copy, make, minimum, this to config, then we run make.
Then we do the install name tool.
Okay, it's all done.
Yeah.
Now we do the install name
Tool.
on here.
Yeah. No, that was
it.
Yeah. Right?
Yes, do it.
And then we
And
say
now we have to somehow build the extension again. With maybe this somehow detects that there was no change and it doesn't, or and now let's do Okay, but now it's fine. Yeah, exactly. Because now it didn't do anything.
Ah, okay, so we only have to do this.
Yes, and then when the bundle is built, it's gonna be already built with the proper. Yes. No, we are already in target.
Yeah, but this should be a full path, right?
But we had the
This should be the full
current directory. Right. What we had before was good, only with $1.
Okay. But no, yeah, we're always on Mac, but Why would you not just provide it?
If it works, then it's fine. No, you'd have to escape it. Okay, it's fine.
But why?
Anyway. Yeah, let's leave it like this. It should be fine.
Yes.
So we need this to reproduce the full clone and all that.
Oh, those clones.
Clones and then compilation also.
Yeah, fair. Oleg's filling with the timer, by the way.
Yeah, it's trying to be stealth, but fine.
Very, very stealth here. So again, you can don't have to unlock it.
Oh, so it stopped.
No, it's on. Yeah, we're going 26 minutes.
Perfect.
Because we're watching our timing, we got the feedback that we're recording 2 long sessions, so we're gonna try to shorten it up. But cloning takes forever.
I know, it's not our fault.
Exactly.
Okay. Please
it's not
entertain
us
our
being
viewers.
stupid, not able to figure things out.
What's your favorite joke? Do you know any good jokes?
No,
Have you heard any good jokes recently?
Good. No. Good talk.
I'll just stare at the screen. 2 warnings. Fascinating.
Yeah. So we definitely will edit this, that it's
quality entertainment.
Yeah. It's gonna be faster.
I try to move like this.
Okay, why is this so slow? I think we should invest in a bigger, better computer. Come on, why is it so slow?
I thought you liked Linux.
Yes, I used to use Linux in university, but then I got a real job, had money for a Mac.
Do you know that Solaris OS is considered the best Unix-like system in the world?
I thought that's FreeBSD or NetBSD or something.
Also solid, but for some reason Solaris.
Solid try Solaris. No, I did not
but
know
it's
that.
not. It's closed source.
Anyway,
so screw it.
It's
it worked.
Green.
Unbelievable. So now, if we just do.
Yes. What do we do?
Is the white, the green rectangles, are they white space or is it just?
That's an empty line.
Good. So I think we're good. We're gonna have to do some logic around this install name tool to only do it for Macs, I guess. But we'll worry about it later. What I wanted to say is that now we can do rake build.
Let's try to.
And this will actually build a .gem file and put it in PKG. That's amazing. And then we can, yes.
Let's make sure we don't have any legacy around. Ooh, we don't.
And now we can just install PKG.
Install. Let's do that shit.
And this is actually installing from... Oh, you know what we should try?
Yes.
Can we kill it first?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Let's go somewhere else.
Temp.
And then try from here so that we're just gonna install from PKG. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
What? No, I don't know. What are you doing?
I'll show you. I've got it. Trust me, I'm an engineer.
You're making this way harder
I
than
know,
it needs to be.
But I want to make sure it's working
fair.
regardless of where we are.
/team.
Oh, sorry for showing everyone what you have here.
That's why I went to temp, so that you don't show my home directory.
This. Now this is installing from the local file.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with our current directory of wherever we were.
Yeah,
in
and now we're cloning again into vendor.
Yes, and that's the problem with gem install, that it swallows all the output of xconf. So now we will be narrating.
It's however putting it into... Where are we?
I don't know what this is.
This is the
gem.
Where it put the gem. So I was wondering if we can see a log file here, but maybe the log file is living somewhere else. This is what we unpacked before. Right? I
I think the file is only written to if there's a failure.
What I'm saying is there's usually a log file, mkmf.log something. I only know this because Nokogiri fails.
MySQL too.
And Capybara usually. MySQL, you're using MySQL, I see.
Yes.
So you don't like Postgres, I see.
I love Postgres. Legacy stuff has our MySQL, but we now have a lot of Postgres databases around as well. Let's narrate to our viewers what's happening right now.
So
Git clone, git submodule, and probably
making
compilation, right?
The fan of my laptop says it's currently running make.
Can we see the running processes? There we go.
Yes, we could.
So, moment of truth, young man. Not gem list.
Come on, seriously.
Sorry, Xgboost. You should have created a new gem set. And now we do IRB minus
Is it 1990?
R.
Do we use gem sets still?
I do.
Why? Okay, sell me on gem sets. Go.
You don't have to worry about dependencies across projects. And you can just
But
delete...
Bundler does isolation, no?
Yeah, but you can delete gems without worrying that you're gonna affect other projects.
Yeah, but I can do either way. And then
yeah, but if you want to clean something or pre-clean... Anyway, let's focus now. You might be right. Let's see if this works.
Maybe you want to use pry next time. Hallelujah.
Okay. How can I make sure that I'm... Because I was wondering why this worked, if we don't have Ruby gems. Or is Ruby gems automatically...
Ruby gems is included now.
In 2.5?
Yes. I'm not sure if it's from 2.5, but definitely by now.
Amazing. Okay, so it works. We have successfully built the full gem with cloning and compiling at gem install time, and we can actually use it from Ruby code.
Exactly, and in the very short next episode we show you how to publish it on rubygems.org.
Yes.
Or you want to do it right now?
No.
No!
Episode over. We are below 1 hour 20. Which for us is
a close one.
So we've achieved... We're very close to our big milestone of releasing.
Yeah.
Next thing is we probably want to set up CI. But to set up CI, we need the Linux build.
Yes, let's do it.
So
let's figure out the next episode on CI.
Yes, so that will be the next episode. Linux together with CI. And then we're gonna release 0.1 to rubygems.org, and you will be able to add it to your gem files and use it in production. Although it's 0.1, so we won't have any error handling or nice messages.
Did you grab the name Xgboost on Ruby Gems?
Now you... Anyway.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching.
Anyone who sees this right now.
Thank you very much for watching.
Yes.
We'll see you next time.
It was Pair on Air. Have fun pairing.
This is Harry, I'm Oleg, we're Pair on Air.
Exactly.
See you next time.
Now, you know, I'm supposed to go to static. Then you don't hear us anymore. We fade out. They cannot see. I should shut up? Okay, let's do that then.